Today you will learn in few steps how to assemble Nauru 100D. It's simple and very quick. Nauru 100D is a drone that comes in a heavy-duty case that guarantees its safe storage and transport. In order to open our heavy-duty case, we spin anti-clockwise both of these locks, and then easily you can open the lid. As you can see here, when you open the case, first comes the fuselage. When you remove the fuselage, we have this division where we have the bayonets. There's a main one and also a spare one. Once we remove this division, underneath we have the two wings, the left one and the right one. The assembly is simple. You just need to put the bayonet through the fuselage opening and make sure it's divided equally in both sides. Once the bayonet is centralized in equipment, you connect the wing to the bayonet. You must ensure the lock is not closed. And once you get to the end of it, then you must close the lock. After that, you must do the same process on the other side. Now we connect the gimbal through the middle here. And then on the top, we put the battery. The left side first, then position the right side to listen to a click. Then remove the protectors of the propellers and make sure you open it equally. Now we must adjust the two communication antennas, just opening the right side and the left side. As you can see, the Nauru 100D now is assembled and ready to fly within a few minutes only. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to leave your comment, subscribe and leave your like.